in today's class, let us see how to create a blank document and how to create a document using templates. So to create this, first click upon the word icon. So as soon as you click, this is the screen which is visible. Now go to new. Because we are creating a new document, so click upon the new. Here there will be more templates visible. So here first let us create a blank document which is blank, empty, that is empty. Let us click upon this blank document. As soon as you click upon this blank document, this is the working area which is visible for us to work on. So here you can create your documents according to your vision need. Like if you want to create a resume, you can make it as a resume, or if you want to make it as a document, you can make it as a document. Now let us see how to create it using a template. Now we saw the blank document. Now let us see how to use a template. So for doing it, go for file. Click upon this file. As soon as you click here, this is the backstage view which is visible. So now click upon the new. Here is the templates which is visible. Here let us give flyers. So here there is different types of flyers here. Like whichever the template you want from here, you can select it. If you are giving a party invitation, then click upon party invitation. Now let us create a party invitation. So click upon the party invitation. So here is the thing which is visible. So to create this one, click upon this create button. So as soon as you click upon this create button, it will get loaded and the document will get created. So here you can see which has been created. This is the document which has been created. So here we have added the tab and commands. So to make visible of it, click upon this ribbon display option. Show tabs and commands. So here is the tabs and commands which is visible. Now you can edit this invitation. Like it has given you the option. Now you can change whatever the changes you want to make. You can make it. Now this party invitation, let us change the date. Let us make it a Sunday. And I am giving 1st January. And if you want address, everything can be updated here. So using these steps, you can create your documents. Now we saw how to use our template. Now let us see how to create a new document by like whatever the downloaded themes we have, we can use that also. Now let us see how to make that also. So to make that, click upon new, go for themes, and here are the downloaded themes which we have, like resumes we have downloaded. If you want any one of it, click upon that. And it will ask you like this, click upon again on create. So as soon as you click upon create, it will get loaded and the document will get created. So by using these steps, you can create your document like using the installed templates or themes, or if you want it online, you can access the internet and you can download it and you can use them, or you can create a new document by giving blank documents all. Thank you.